Hello guys, can you hear me now? Hello, hello. Can you hear me now, guys? Can you hear me now, please? Oh my god, why? I've been talking to myself the whole time again. I am a monkey, literally. I can't believe I've been talking to myself again. Holy shit. How fucking stupid can I get? Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's because my microphone just keep disconnecting without like telling me, so I'm just talking to myself. Jesus. I'm saying, guys, I said two things. The first thing was I hope we get to the sell zone today so we can take it, and the second one was if you can see the rank system, the leaderboard on YouTube now. The guy who is number one every single month will get the free propfirm accounts. So if you want the free propfirm account by the end of the month, every month you can just be the number guy on the XP leaderboard. You can see like Devede has like a first place right now. It's like a new leaderboard system. So if you're number one, you get a free propfirm account. It's just a small bonus, nothing huge, but I think some people like it. And then the sell zone, I've been waiting for it for like 2 weeks now. I think today is the day we're gonna hit it. So I think the sell zone is gonna be great today. I hope it's gonna reject. And the price is 3398.7 on futures. Can you hear me even though I'm talking? Like, is my mic low or is it fine? How does it count the XP? Depends on how much we ride and just watch. I think it's both, Devede. It's like a combination of watch time and comments, I guess. But right now you're number one, so if you keep it like that, you're gonna get the account. So if you wanna get a free propfirm account, you're just gonna be on the top of the leaderboard. You'll get a propfirm account for free. But let's get a good sell zone instead today to start off. That would be nice. So, and I think we should be able to reach the sell zone today. It looks like we have a bullish trend day, so we try to squeeze the highs and see if we can get a sell at the top. That would be perfect. Any discount code on Top Step? I don't think it can get cheaper, bro. Like 50 bucks. I don't think it can get any cheaper. I think 50 bucks is the bare minimum. I mean, it would be nice with a discount, but I don't think that's possible. Otherwise, they don't make money. Often, propfirms that does discounts is because they are needing the money. You know, some kind. Yeah. Can you increase the sound? I can try to increase it. Just give me a moment. Is it better now? Can you hear me better now? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, if it's better now, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Keep it like this. Perfect. So yeah, the sell zone is 3398 on the futures. You can also just look at the price and see if it correlates with the Forex price, if you want to take it on Forex. But this strategy is to pass the propfirm on Top Step. That's going to be the goal from every live stream now on, guys. Just to pass as many propfirm challenges on YouTube as possible every single day. So it's going to be 50% win rate with high probability for the passing. That's pretty much the goal. I'm not going for 100% win rate anymore. That's not how you approach the propfirm anyways. So we're just waiting for the sell zone to take that one. There's a lot of crazy stuff coming soon, so I've been working a lot behind the scenes. That's why I've been off. How you guys' day been, by the way? It's been a good day, or have you not taken anything yet? That means, are you going for the live account? 5 payouts, I think it was, we had to get. I mean, the 5 payouts, I don't think you need to take the payouts. You can, because all the payouts you don't take will be moved to the live account if you have 30 days without, 30 winning days. I think the profit can be moved to that one, so you keep 100% or something. I'm not quite sure. But I mean, at the beginning, you don't need the live account. I will suggest you just take the payout instead. That's way easier. Just take the payout, take the 2 or 5 grand, whatever you make, and then go next. And then once you have like a buffer, you can try to go for the live account. But it's not worth at the beginning. I have to be honest. Is it too late to join the Top Step challenge? No, it's what I'm gonna do on YouTube for the rest of the 25. It's just gonna be passing challenges for you on YouTube. That's why the zones is gonna be. I'm not going for the 100% win rate. I'm just going to do the strategy I what is it called? I made in the group that I post on the pinned comment to pass the challenges and get the payout. All we need is a 50% win rate, which is pretty easy, to be honest. You should already been up 50% from the buy zone I posted yesterday, last week. You should already pass the first phase. I'm pretty sure. I can go back and check. Yeah, the one at 333.7, that did 100 something pips, so that was already one phase passed on that one. So it's pretty easy once we get it rolling. Hello Sahir SK, how you doing, brother? But Zach, I will suggest you just get the 50k and then you just follow the sell limits and the signals I give you in the group. It doesn't really get easier than that, to be honest. You don't even have to manage the trade. I'm gonna give you the sell limits and you can use the lot size, and then you have the risk settings from Top Step that will put in the risk for you. So it literally cannot be more fucking like friendly, trading friendly. I don't know what's the word is. It doesn't get easier to literally just follow the limit. Even for myself, like, I think this is way better than trading on a live account. You don't even have to. This is not trading anymore. It's more like a numbers game. How many accounts you can buy to get into the 50%. Because it doesn't really matter if you lose. You can maximum lose $50. So with the $50 exposure, you can pretty much increase to the highest risk trades. So it doesn't even matter if the zone is high risk, because we can lose $50. So if we win, we get the 50k and a potential 2k payout. So no matter what happens, we always win. So it is low-key like free money. If you use if you haven't watched it yet, just go on the pinned video in the group and then just watch it. I pinned it so you can see it. Just follow the steps. It's pretty easy. I'm just going on YouTube to give you the zone so you can take it and copy it. I also posted the sell limits in the group, so you can just type in the sell limits and then press enter. And then it's literally free money, low-key. the last buy zone that I told you to delete, which I'm pretty sad about, was that was 17, so that was down here. This was the buy zone I shared, I think it was Wednesday or something, and I told you to delete it, which I feel pretty bad about because I didn't take it myself. You see, this would have been the buy zone at, I think it was 17, so that's right above where the price bounces. And this one is running, let me check how many pips it's running. It's running 600 pips. So the buy limits I gave Wednesday is running 600 pips, which is insane. So that was pretty sad that I deleted it. I should have kept it. I would have needed those 700 pips, 600 pips. I didn't get tapped on that. You should, because it went to 16, so you should be able to get filled on it. But I don't know why I deleted it. It was so dumb. I just wanted a fresh chart, so I deleted all the limit orders. And then apparently the buy limit was the weekly low, 600 pips. That would have been 6,000 on that one lot. So you would have made fucking, you could buy literally like 50k accounts on that one trade. But it doesn't matter. We take this week instead and just reset. I think you deleted it because I told you to. Also, I didn't get it myself, which is pretty sad about. But it is what it is. You can see what's gonna happen after. So I thought it would continue further down. That's why I deleted it, and it didn't. What is this fucking drought addict doing in my chat? The fuck? Bro, no one wants to join your trash group, dude. Some people are low IQ. Hello, Sahir SK. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, buddy? Do you know how long the waiting list is on TopStep? Waiting list? What do you mean by waiting list? I don't think there's a waiting list, guys. I think you should be able to just connect to it. I mean, I can buy accounts every single day. I'm not on any waiting list. Are you sure? You're not? Is it not because you're from a country that doesn't allow it? Maybe that could be the reason your country doesn't have TopStep yet. Maybe because of regulation. I signed up for it, but it put me on waiting list on USA. What? I don't know why they have waiting list for you. That shouldn't be. Are you sure you signed up for the right top step? And not the Pornhub Premium? Let's see who is number one on the chat. Who's number one is still debated. It looks like 75 is maximum per day, which is actually pretty good, so you can spam it, so it feels like it's more legitimately. And if you just join in on the channel, if you're number one on the XP leaderboard, you will get a free Top Step account every single month, and you get XP from staying in the on the what is it called, live stream. You will get XP, and if you're number one, you get every single month Top Step accounts. If you prefer another prop firm, you can also get it on that one. I don't mind. So it's free money from just watching a YouTube live stream. I could make it top 3 maybe, because top 1 might be too hard to get. So maybe top 3 is easier. But I don't know how it works yet, so I have to see by the end of the month how they calculate the XP. But right now, Devede and Shahik and what is that, Dion Havanga, it's top 3. That's pretty nice, but yeah. Any group do you have? I have a free Telegram you can join for free. You get notified when I go live on YouTube. And then I also have OnlyFans if you want that. I'm selling from 77. I mean, good luck, brother. I wish you luck. Oh. I will make a prediction right now, guys. I will make a prediction. In, I think it's September or November, I have 100,000 subscribers. And a lot of crazy videos. Not lifestyle videos, but pure trading videos. I'm almost positive. September or November, I have 100,000 subscribers. And I have crazy trading videos. I'm almost certain. I have put in a lot of work on crazy stuff coming out soon. And it's all trading education, no Ferraris, no fucking lifestyle. Just pure fucking orgasm in your eyes. So please check 13380 for sell. I mean, I'm looking at 98 to be honest. I don't want to sell below that. 98 is like the lowest I want to sell it. Oh, sorry. And if any of you guys are watching, which is not in the group, you can still place. If you have a Top Step account, you cannot do it if you don't have a Top Step. You can place the sell limit yourself. Come on, gold. It looks like gold is slowly coming up. Let's see if we can reach the sell zone. That would be perfect. That would be lovely, 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 lovely. It's a high risk sell, but again, it's for the prop firm Top Step, so we don't need more than. All we need is 50% win rate, and we will get the 300 and what was the price? I think it's $350 per account we buy. We get back. So every time we pay $50, we made $350 back. So it's just a numbers game of how many times we can multiply that. So it's pretty easy. Your salt zone is 98 to no. I don't have the stop loss at the top of the range of the box. The box is just to visualize it. I think I'm gonna use two contracts on this one, which basically puts the stop loss at, what is that, 40 pips. So my loss is $800. So, but it's because I'm doing the propfirm challenges and stuff. So people in the group can copy it. Do you guys have a vacation now, like a summer break? Because I feel like the summertime, everything just slowly goes down. So here the TP is gonna be 1500, because if we make more than 1500, we will break the consistency rules. So it's gonna be below 1500, and then the stop loss is gonna be 800. That's how the risk settings we put on the account. But let's see how it goes once we get close. It's a setup on from the 15-minute time frame. So, but I kind of have to zoom out on the 4-hour because we have been consolidating a lot. So. Debated, that's after you pass it. If you're still in the evaluation phase, you can use up to 5 lots. 5 contracts. It's only after you pass it. Are you sure? Yes, 100%. I've used 5 and 4 many times on the evaluation. It's only once you pass the challenge, you cannot use more than 2 first. Which is also fair enough. It's totally fine. There's also no need to... there's no need to use more than 2 once you pass it. There's no reason to just coin flip it. Once you pass the challenge, you kind of just go for some home runs instead, in my opinion. You just need one runner after you pass it, and you make. If we just take the Wednesday buy zone for example, that's 600 pips. 600 pips will be $6,000. So that will make the expected value like $1,000 per account if you continue that. So. Time frame, this is the 4-hour, but the zone is made from the 15 minutes. So I'm pretty excited to see if it's gonna hold. I hope it does. It should do. So. Which is the zone? It's 3398.7 on futures. Hello, Nikoshi Kona. How you doing, buddy? Romeo, it's 3398.7 on futures. On futures. Where have you been? I've been working, man. I've been working behind the scenes. Try to find some solution to some different stuff. And it looks like I finally managed to finish it. Hello, Sams. How you doing, buddy? I also have to check how to fix the black bars at the bottom of the stream. It's pretty annoying that it's just black. I can see it's also black on the phone, so I need to check how to fix it. Is it futures? Yes, this is futures, my friend. This is futures. It's pretty fun they made the new system. I actually like it a lot. What's the price on the sell zone? It's 3398.7 on futures. Hello, Emmanuel. How you doing, brother? Hello, Richard. Rishad. How you doing, brother? How you doing? We just need gold to move. I will be happy. Hey, come on, go. Remember to like the stream, guys, as well. I would appreciate it. Hello, Ray. How you doing, brother? Hello, Marlin. Welcome, welcome. Good yourself? I'm doing fine, man. I'm doing fine. How about you? I really hope gold is gonna continue. Gold has to continue up. London weather is terrible at the moment. Yeah, Denmark too, man. Like literally. Denmark is... It doesn't feel like it's summer, man. It's just windy and... It's not cold, but it's like... I need some sun. I need some D vitamins. $36? Why, what? How can you have 36 in Norway when I'm right below? The fuck? Can you give me some, man, please? Check. Norway. Why in Norway is it? Hey Ray, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate you watching. Near Oslo. Oh, okay. I appreciate it, Ray. Thank you for watching, man. Hope you're gonna enjoy the cell zone if you gonna take it. We just have to wait for gold to actually move. It's not really doing anything right now, which is common when I go live. We are trading at 84 now, so we just need a little bit more, then we should be able to reach it. My snooze? Oh, you take that in Norway? A lot of people take it in Denmark as well. I'm not really a fan of it, to be honest. But I see a lot of people take it. Where are you trading from? I'm from Denmark. I'm from Denmark, my friend. I drive to Sweden to buy it every other week. Damn, dude, that's insane. You must be taking a lot then if you literally going to the other border. Denmark, nice. Yeah, I mean, I hate Denmark, but that's where I'm born, sadly. Can never miss it, unfortunately. Yeah, that's just how it is. Gotta live with it. Viking, yeah. We are Vikings over here. Let's just wait and hope that gold will do some magic. I could need some magic. What time is it now? It's 2 in Denmark, so the volume should kick in low-key now. Or very soon at least. I hope the volume will increase soon. Do we have any news today? Let me check. Forex Factory. No, we don't. Do we have tomorrow? No. We do have Flash PPI later this week, but nothing major. Nothing major this week, so that's nice. We have FOMC next week. Oh, that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. Next week. FOMC. Interesting. I'm from London, UK. Been trading for a while. Small accounts. Hope to enjoy your live meets. Bro, I hope you're gonna love it. And I will do my best to make you happy through the trades. I'm on phase 2 now. How many lots would you recommend on this trade? Are you on phase 2? What do you mean by phase 2? There's only one phase on Top Step. Do you mean the live account? Like you passed the first one? I would just use 1 or 2 lots. 1 or 2 lots is fine. No reason to go above that. I don't even think you can go above 2 lots on phase 2 before you make 1500. I win 50%. Wait, so are you still in the evaluation account, or you... Okay, so when you say the second phase, you mean the last 1500 profit. Thank you for the sub, Ray, I appreciate it. Let's hope that gives some luck for the sell today. Yeah, not live. Okay, so you just mean the last 1500. I will use 2 lots, even though this is a high risk. You know, you can only lose 50 bucks. Sun Forex on the zones I give you, yes, 1 to 2. But if you're trading some scalps yourself, I would prefer higher lots, because you have to remember your edge is that the account is 50 bucks. So no matter what you lose, you can lose 50 bucks, which is low key like free. So you can pretty much lose nothing, and you can, I mean, get 50k in funding. So you should not be afraid of losing. It's okay to lose on a $50 account. 50k, but the price is $50, so you should go aggressive. And if you watch the video, you can see if you just have 50% win rate, I mean 50% win rate is easy. If you have that, you can make money. You make 350 bucks every time you buy account. You get 300 if you manage to get 50% win rate. And then every time if you have like 60%, it becomes like 500 per account, and if you have 70, it becomes like $900 per account, and you know. Yeah, Ali, the stop loss should be 800, and TP should be and the TP should be 1500. So on $50 I can do one. I mean, it's not $50 that's the price for the account. You have 50k, you know, $50,000, but you just paid 50 bucks for the account, for the fee. And then we need gold to move. I don't know what it's doing. It's pretty annoying. Please wake up. Oh yeah. Please wake up. Please wake up. I think we're gonna have a breakout soon. I'll be happy to see that breakout so we can actually get to the sell zone. I mean, gold the past, how many weeks now? It's been so fucking insane. I think it's, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, the last 14 months, gold has been trading in the exact same area. We have literally been consolidating for 14 weeks, sorry. Like, what's up with that, man? That is nuts. That is fucking crazy to think about. 14 months consolidation. I mean, we're not going anywhere. And also, and I hate to consolidate for so long, because someday when you try to buy the higher, sell the higher, buy the low, you're gonna get you're going to get the falling knife that day, because it's been consolidating for so long. That's why I hate this long consolidations, because you don't want to buy or sell the breakouts. I mean, against the breakouts. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Just like today feels very bullish, so taking a sell might not be on paper the smartest idea, but it's a setup playbook, so they already works out. So hopefully they're gonna work out today as well. That's why we don't have to listen to our emotions that wants to back out. So we just have to stick to the plan and let it ride. That was the same that I did on the buy zone. I deleted it and it went 600 pips, so I should not have deleted it. So if I delete the sell zone, it's probably gonna reject and do the same, and I don't want to miss that. So let's see. How often do you take parcels on your personal account? Normally every like 50 pips, 40 pips, I start to take parcels off. But it's a different story on the prop firm because you just have to reach the 1500. So taking parcels to catch 1000 pips doesn't really matter because you can maximum get 1500 anyways. So you kind of have to change your management approach. Well, let's wait and see. It looks like gold is finally moving, actually. Finally moving. Are we gonna get fucked? Maybe, I don't know. Let's wait and see. Let me just check. It's always good with a backup sell. I always have that, but until now it looks like this. This one is gonna be the main one. So yeah, let's stick to this one and see. Hello, Sample Trades. Change your Telegram, I appreciate it, brother. Welcome. Where gold is moving with high speed. When I look at the 4 hour, the zone looks bad. When I look at the 15 minutes, it looks fucking great. That's kind of like, it's better to just look at the 15 minutes and be like, okay, looks good, looks good. Don't look at the 4 hour, that will just mess you up. Trick your brain, you know. Because on the 15 minute it looks clean, but the higher the time frame I go, the less fun it looks like. So yeah, let's see how it goes. But I can see gold is pushing close now, slowly coming up. I will do market execution even though I think people have a limit on it. It's only because it's a 50-50 zone, bro. It's like it's a 50-50. It can be a good runner. It can also be straight to stop loss. So it's a high risk sell. But again, the only thing we can lose at 50, it's $50 for the fee for the challenge. So it might be best to just shut up and take it, you know. Can you use Top Step on TradingView? No, but I use the futures on CMC markets, so the price is pretty much similar. And I will also tell you when I enter anyways on my Top Step. I also think you can hear it. I think there will be like a order filled, you know, so. We're getting close, So be ready for impact. Be ready for impact. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Goal is coming. Goldie, goldie. It's coming in hot. By the way, guys, remember these trades are only for top step. For top step users. It's only for top step users. It's not made for normal trading. I have a bad feeling about this sell zone because we have been consolidating for so long. So it's gonna be fun. I hope you're ready for a ride. Because I am. It's getting close, it's getting close. It's coming, guys, it's coming. Is it still 1 to 2 lot possible? Is taking on MGC. That's MGC. That's minis rise. If you trade minis, I don't use minis. Just use the normal GC contracts. No reason to use MGC. Just use the normal contracts. Reckon it may drop before the zone. I don't think it's gonna drop before the zone. I feel like it's gonna continue higher than the zone, but that's why I said this is only for the top step account, because we just need a 50% win rate to still get the payout, 2k payout. So it doesn't really matter if you lose because you will still get it. So yeah. We're trading at 91 now, 90, so we're very close. We're getting very close. So let's see how it's gonna go, guys. Hopefully it's gonna end well. It's still trading right below, guys. We could reach it very soon in the next. We have a 30-minute candle opening in 1 minute, so we might be able to reach the sell zone in like 1 to 5 minutes if the volume kicks in on the next open candle. So just be prepared. Just be ready, my friends. And remember, only top step accounts can use this trade. It's not made for anything else. I mean, you can take it if you want on your own account, but it's higher risk than normal. I'm not your dad, so you can do what you want, but it's still not made for top step. It's only made for top step. The zone is made on the 15-minute time frame. That's where the zone is created. You just need gold to push higher, so we can get a beautiful trade. You're welcome, Marco. Mako. You're welcome. The number shows on PC, but not at my PC. Wait, what? It shows it on PC, but not your PC. I'm confused. Christo Jabber. Do you mean phone? Oh, what do you mean? Hello, Skyhawk. Hello, hello, hello. And by the way, guys, how I'm gonna stream from now, it's gonna be, I'm going live in London Open, and then I'm gonna place, in the London Open stream, I'm gonna place the limit order. And then once we get close to the limit order, I'm going live again. I think that's the easiest way for me to be more flexible. What's it called? Flexible? What's the name? Is it flexible? Sorry, flexible. So I'm going live in London Open, giving you guys the limit order. So if you want the limit order, you have to be on the stream in London, and then once we get close to the limit order, I'm going live again. If we have to cancel it or manage it, I think that's the best way to do it. Flexible, yeah, flexible. I just forgot the way but I remember now. So that's gonna be the approach from now on. I think the futures and forex prices is about 70 to 80 pips different. Yeah, but you should not look at the number difference. You should look at the candles difference. You just use the same candles as I do, so you don't look at the number. You just look at the candles, because the candles is formed the same way. And then you just put on the number it shows on Forex on those numbers. Welcome, Brian. Nice to see you again, brother. How are you doing? Nice to have you back on the stream. Welcome, welcome. We are trading right below the sell zone, so we might have a sell very soon. Hello, BNK. How you doing, buddy? Let me see the stop loss. Where's that gonna be? I'll wait and see till we get filled. How you doing, BNK? By the way, guys, if you're new to the stream, there is a leaderboard now on YouTube, and the guy who is number one will get a propfirms account every single month for free. You should be able to see the leaderboard in the comments. You get like XP from watching and commenting, I think. And the number one guy will get a free propfirms account every single month. And so you can win a propfirms account just by watching if you want. Is this still going to be good? I mean, it's a high risk. It's a very high risk. That's why I say this is for top step accounts only, because the risk is $50. So we can afford to lose $50 on it only. That's why I'm willing to take the high risk. That's why I say if you have a live account, I don't suggest taking it. We're getting very close now. Very, very, very close. Gonna be interesting. Welcome, the universe bot. How you doing, brother? How you doing, man? The volume is low. Do you mean the volume on my mic or the gold chart? What is your TP if the sell hits? It's gonna be 1500. Then the account is passed. And then by tomorrow, it should be moved to the live accounts, so. Increase your volume. Can you hear me now? Hello? Is this better? Is this better? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hello? Let me see if I can turn it up. Just give me a moment, guys. Let me increase my mic so you can hear me. Audio inputs. Is this better, guys? Daddy's back. Welcome, brother. Welcome, brother. Is this better, guys? This is futures, by the way, guys. This is futures. We have a strategy to pass the challenges easy. So you only need a 50% win rate, and you will get a payout. And your expected value is $350 per account you buy. You get payout. Can you cook some chicken and rye and cheese? I mean, I have chicken already done for the day, so I just need the cheese, I guess. Your mic, I think my mic is fine now, guys, right? Hello, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear my voice? My mic? Hello? I think it's fine. Hello, Sibushiko. How you doing, brother? How you doing, man? Welcome, Dion. By the way, guys, as I told the people earlier, we have a leaderboard on YouTube now. You get XP from just watching. The people who are at the top, they will get 3 accounts, propfirm accounts. You paid your taxes yet? Yeah, I actually did, but I have to wait 14 days for them to make the final like calculation if I have to pay more or receive. You know, it's like texting a girl. You have to wait till you get a response. I'm just joking. Hello, Sibushio. How you doing, brother? Nice to see you back. Nice to see you again, man. I missed you, man, in the chat. So this challenge, you should only take this trade on the... if you have the top step account. It's not made for live accounts. It's made to pass it. No, what is it? Bet? No, Ben. No, Benny. Benny James. Does Topstep use any other platform? They use Ninja Trader, and then they use their own Topstep platform software. And then I don't really know. Can you explain on why this is a potential sell zone? It's actually on the 15 minutes. The setup is made on the 15 minutes. It's just a small inside candle. I just have to zoom out because we have been consolidating. You see, the zone is actually made from this price action on the 15 minutes. But we have been consolidating for so long that I have to zoom out to follow the price. So... do you think we can take this trade on normal or just futures? Top step only. It's made to pass your account. Because you can maximum lose 50 bucks. That's the only thing you can lose. You're welcome, Adam. Where are you from? I'm from Denmark. Futures price, yes, it's 3398.7. 3398.7. Hello, Bernard's official. Hello, brother. How you doing? You live in Denmark? Yes, sir, buddy. In cold, boring Denmark. Sadly. I need some palm trees and coconuts before I go crazy. Was it direct limit price to execute? I post 3398.7 in futures on Top Step. It's not made if you have a live account. It's high risk. It's because we have a strategy. You only need 50% win rate to get the payout. So you can take high risk sells. Normally I wouldn't take the sell, but because how the strategy is made, you can afford to lose 50% of the trades and you will still get the payout. That's why I'm willing to take the high risk. And also because the zone I posted last week already made the first step, so we just need the last step now. How many degrees outside? I think it's like 20. 20 right now. How do you set TP and stop loss on Top Step? You just place it on the chart. You can like drag it up and down. Pretty easy. Please help me create a Forex. Wait, please help me to create Forex trading. What do you mean by create? On mobile stream, the right side is of the price is cut off. Oh, sorry, man, I didn't know that. I don't know how to fix that, to be honest. But the price is 3398.7, so you don't have to check. Can you fix that? Maybe to move a bit to the left. I can try tomorrow and see if it worked. I can try. And I will tell you when I enter. I will tell you when I enter. I'm not gonna place a sell limit. I'm taking it as a market execution. Let me grab some water quickly to take some Wasser. You going traveling again soon? No. Now it's only a focus on work. Work and twerk. Work and twerk. We have the next 15-minute candle closing in 2 minutes, so you're sure selling in this bullish market. That's why I say that you have to you can only take the trade on Top Step, because on Top Step you can only lose $50. That's your risk. That's $50. That's your maximum risk. So I'm willing to take a high risk trade for that. That's why if you have a live account, you should not take it. It's only made to pass your challenge. Because the last buy zone I gave you was the first phase, and now you just need the second phase. I know who he is, Sebi. I know. Grunstedt, isn't it? I don't know what Grunstedt is. You know, you have another word for that? Grunstedt, I don't know what that is. That's where you're from, near that? No. I've never heard about that about that before. So it's not close to that. What's the prop firm? It's Top Step. Top Step. So the sell zone is only made for the people who are passing the Top Step. It's a high risk sell, that's why it doesn't work on a normal account. My broker is in this time on 3386. What's happened? I mean, this is futures, this is not Forex. This is on a future account, that's why the difference. And I will tell you when I enter, guys. Because I might move it to 400 instead. Which is right above, but just wait and see. We're getting close, guys. We're getting close. We are getting close. So be prepared, guys. How many contracts for this trade? I would say one contract, one or two. The only reason I'm live streaming, guys, is to pass your challenge on Top Step. So if you bought a Top Step, just follow the trades. It's pretty simple. Just like the buy zones from last week. It's only to pass your challenges so you can get a payout with a minimum risk, because the risk is $50. That's literally the only price you need to pay. That's $50. Can you send the link to the propfirm? I can, but you can also just search Top Step. If you just search Top Step, it should give you the websites. Hello, Clown. How you doing, brother? Long time no see, yes sir, buddy. But I'm back. Back at it. Can't get a Top Step account because of my country. Yeah, that's the only that's like the red flag. Some countries is not allowed. So I only have like 2% left battery on my phone. That's pretty annoying. But I don't want to charge it now and then we get filled. That would be sad. I think you're trading futures. What's the price in Forex? Yes, this is futures. And the sell zone is made to futures. It's not made for a normal trade. It's only made to pass your challenge. Nothing else. So if you don't use Top Step and you have a challenge you want to pass, you should not take it. I also made a whole guide. Let me take a photo. I made a whole guide how to pass the Top Step challenge and everything. You just have to look at the pinned comment on Telegram, and then you can see the video about how to buy the account, the risk settings and the win rate. And then it's just about multiplying it so you make the money you want to make. It doesn't really get easier. Hello Winston, how you doing, brother? Can you tell me the contract symbol? It's GC. GC, like this. On futures. Oh. GC. Oh my god, why is it not 16? GC, like this. And then you use 1 or 2 contract size, whatever you prefer. Since I'm already up for the first step last week from the zone I shared, I'm gonna use 1. Because I don't need a lot of profit to pass it now. And then I have like 5 accounts, and then I can't pass anymore. That's the maximum accounts you can have. But I'm still gonna post a trade so you can pass yours. We're trading at 96 now, guys. Volume is also increasing. We have 10 minutes for the hourly close as well, so we might get a bottom wick on that. I don't think we're gonna catch the daily high because of the 4-hour. So it might be a scalp. It might be a scalp instead, because the 4-hour is too strong. I think there's no way we're gonna catch the daily high like this. But I think we could be able to get a small rejection and then catch like 50 pips bottom wick on the next hourly candle. Something like that, that will also be fine. It means on our broker market goes on this level. I mean, if you use spot price or forex, pretty much the same. But if you don't use futures, you cannot use this sell zone. It has to be on futures. Otherwise, it doesn't match. It doesn't connect. Is this normal gold? No, this is futures. And I will tell you when I enter. I'm not in yet. And it's gonna be a high risk. Very high risk, actually. This is like high risk sell. Micro? No, minis. Minis. Mini. If you use limit orders on futures, you should also have zero spread, which is pretty nice. Zero spread. We're trading right below it, nice. Right below it. Micro is the same, just 10x, yeah, but the chart is also different. There's a small difference if you want to snipe it. If I'm not mistaken. What lot size? This is a future, so it's contracts. Just use one contract. One or two contracts. Does the playbook work on futures? Yeah, I use the playbook. BC, if you watch the guide, I posted the guide on in the group. If you just look at the pinned comments, you can see this video. You just follow the steps inside the video about how to get the payout on Top Step without even having to have a... You don't even have to trade anymore. You just have to follow the limit orders I give you. And then just use the risk settings I put in the video. It doesn't really get easier. In my chart, it's 87, yeah, but it's because you don't use futures. You have to use futures, my friend. That's a big difference. Where can I get this video? It's on Telegram. It's on Telegram. Normally, I would never take this sell. Like, if this was a normal live stream, I will never take it. Can I write the sell zone? What do you mean? You can see it on the screen, brother. By the way, Winston, you are number 1 on the stream now. If you keep being the number 1, you will be you will get the free propfirm accounts. If you look at the leaderboard, guys, the guy who is number 1 will get a propfirm account for free, and you get XP from watching the stream and texting. So it's a free account if you're just being active. I'm scared, bro. It looks dangerous. Me too, bro. Me too. I need to have my my heart fucking pumping machine next to me. It is a high risk sell, but we can only lose $50 on the Top Step account, so it's worth. Because I deleted the buy zone, and the buy zone was 17 right here. So if I didn't delete the buy zone, we would have been up almost 800 pips now, which is sad to think about. I should never have deleted the buy zone. Then we wouldn't have been thinking about taking a sell now, because we would have been running 800 pips. That's pretty sad. Jan Nico, yes, last week I literally posted like 3, and 2 of them was like 100 pips. It depends on what Telegram you're talking about, of course. Elvaro, yes, 98.7 futures. Which chat is it in? It's in the VIP group, if you're talking about the video or the limit orders. We're getting very close. We're trading right below it. We have the next hourly candle in 3 minutes. I think that's gonna spike. I think that's gonna spike like hell. So it's gonna be interesting to see. Right now, Chris and Winson and David's number is top 3. That's pretty cool. Is gold QCQ 25 on top step? On mine, it's just... Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. That's correct. GCQ 25. That is correct. Why no limit to avoid spread? No, limit has 0 spreads. If you use limit orders on futures, you have 0 spreads. You haven't traded silver in a hole now? Yeah, I should actually start trading silver on futures because you don't have spreads. The issue with silver was the spread was insane. But there is no spread on futures, so I should actually go back to silver. I actually think the last silver trade was the monthly high I took. That was a big run and one of the biggest I had. Saeed, then it's because you're not in the right Telegram. Why do you then do market execution? Because I think it could go slightly higher. So if the spread is 1 pip, but I think it could go, let's say 10 pips higher, still 9 pips better position. If that makes sense. Said, there should be a link in the description. In the bio. Come on, gold. It's so close. So close. And I'm starting to get very hungry, so I hope it's gonna start soon. Which is your chart time frame? Is it top step chart or trading view? This is trading view you're watching, but I found futures on trading view. David, just press the sell -1 market when I say now. The red one. The big red button. Just press that one when I say now, okay? And then you press 1 contract. And then you should be good. Is it a limit? I'm actually gonna do it as a market execution. Because I think the next hourly candle will make a spike, so I don't want to have a limit on that spike. How much delay is there on YouTube? I think it's like 1 to 3 seconds maximum. The big red button, yeah. But the delay is very low, like there's almost 0 delay. See the delay. But price is not moving at all, so I'm kind of tilted. I mean, it is moving, but I just want to get filled. maybe we are lucky. Looks like it's crumbling up again. Stop loss. Ojo TR, are you from the group? Because I made a whole guide how to place the setting so it does it automatically for you. Bless me with a propfirm, or you're gay. I guess I'm gay then. I mean, you just have to watch. I can see the top fans on YouTube right now is Davide and Winsome and Chris. So those guys will get a propfirm account if they keep being top 3, of course. You just have to watch and comment and you'll get XP on YouTube. And if you manage to stay at the top, you will you get a free account. So then you can jerk off or something with it. Top gainers, yeah, let's go, baby. Top gayers, top gays. We are trading at 96 again, so we are pretty close. It's still struggling a little bit. It looks like it. Also, the next hourly candle opened 2 minutes ago, so let's see if it's gonna make a spike or if we are lucky to create the bottom wick. So let's see. It's a big 4-hour candle. Like, this is a huge candle on the 4-hour, so we have to be cautious a little bit. I don't think we want to get screwed. Screwed. Welcome, pizza. This is the 4-hour. With NY open, it's gonna get scary. Yeah, indeed. It is gonna get scary. But again, the only reason we take it is because of the top step guide. We can only lose $50. No matter what happens, we can maximum lose $50. That's the worst risk scenario. That's $50, so I don't really care actually. Brian, that sounds nice, man. It's very cheap. It's $50, which pretty much allows you to be more aggressive without any risk. It's trading at 97 now. It's really pushing higher now. It's really coming fast. Yes, Ali, that's all on top step. And then once you have 550k, you can then do the same but with 100k, and then after you did it with 100k, you do it with 150. And you only need 50% win rates. That's all you need, 50% win rate. You only need to win 50, 5 out of 10 trades, that's it. So it doesn't really get easier. With a 15% win rate, it doesn't really get easier. It's getting close. Ooh. Brace for impact, guys. Brace for impact. We are about to get doomed. We are about to get doomed. What happened with space? I mean, the platform is still open somehow, but you cannot really do anything, so it's pretty confusing. I have no idea what's going on with that platform. It feels like it's closed. Even though the returns keeps coming. But you can withdraw the return, so it's pretty fun. We're trading at 97 now. We are 18 pips away from 98.7. So let's see. How much did you withdraw? I didn't withdraw anything, only a very small amount. So I had it all locked in on the platform, which is sad. Also because I was thinking about taking some out and then they closed. I was low-key crying. Hello Andrew, how you doing, brother? How are you doing, man? How are you doing? Well. First time I'm going to trade futures. I mean, it's gonna be fun. I mean, this is a high risk trade. So if you take this one, it's gonna be a roller coaster for you on the first trade. It's a very high risk trade, but it's gonna make it more fun, right? No risk, no rally. That's what we are born with. But the good thing with Winston is that you can only lose $50. So worst case scenario is $50. Best case scenario is like a 10,000 payout. So it's totally worth it. I don't care about losing anymore. After I use this strategy to pass it and get payouts, I don't care about winning or losing anymore. I used to, you know, have like 90% win rate, and I was only thinking about winning, but now I don't really care. I can easily close my eyes and I can do it. So it literally changed the whole trading for me. Trading without emotions is pretty much the best thing in the world. Mentally stress-free is the best. Yeah, exactly. I would actually rather make 10 times less, but with zero stress and with zero like overthinking. Because when I had like almost zero losses, I had to like try hard so much, and I was just so stressed all the time. But now it's literally like the easiest shit ever. Because I just need a 50% win rates, and I even when I'm not trying, I still have like almost zero losses. So it's just so nice. Any other reason? I think the reason Ali was just the name, like No Risk No Rally. It sounds pretty it sounds pretty fucked. It was like, yeah, I don't know why. It was a weird name. Come on, gold. It's trading right below. No Risk No Ferrari. Yes, I actually think the reason I started with No Risk No Rally, that was because my first group on Snapchat. That's where I all started. I had like a Snapchat group for like two years, totally free, where I posted, and then I just created Telegram after. I was all the way. That's like OG times on my Snap. I just posted stories all the time, and that grew like crazy. And I was like, okay, I need to create a Telegram as well. Hello Simran, how you doing, brother? How are you doing, brother? We're trading at 97.1 on futures. We are very, very close for the sell. Remember, guys, you can only take it on your top step account. This trade is not made for normal trading. It's only made for a specific strategy to pass your top step. First was your Brazos account. Yeah. True. How you know too, my man, please. Did you find me on Brazos as well? you low-key expose yourself. I mean, are we thinking about the same Brazos? I hope we are thinking about the same, so I'm not thinking about something that I shouldn't be thinking of. Oh, life is a man. Come on, gold, give me that juice, you all weird lock-in. Sorry brother. Hello Alicia, how you doing? Mamacita. Come on, gold. I am so hungry, man. I need some food, so it better start moving. I already made the food. I just need to put it in the microwave. So I'm thinking about doing it. But if you remember on TikTok, if I went out for like 2 minutes, it will get filled and I will miss it. So I don't want to get out and then miss the move. So I'm kind of stuck. No pasta today? No, it's rice and chicken. It's actually butter chicken. So we're in game on Tuesday morning on Future. Sounds good, bro. I'm gonna go live every single day in London Open, and then in London Open I will give you the limit order. And then once I give you the limit order, I will then come back when we reach the limit order, and then we take it together, so we can cry together. You know, so. XD. Auditing, yeah, it's nice. I love it. I'm new here. Welcome, Lawrence. Thank you for watching, bro. I appreciate it. Welcome. Hope you're gonna enjoy. Hope you're gonna enjoy. Audio in future tonight sounds good, Brian. Remember, use top step. Watch the video about how to parse it. It's very simple, and then just copy the limit orders I give you. Then it doesn't really get easier. It's very easy. Hey Sams, what's up? Time frame you're using in TradingView? I'm using the 4-hour right now. Playbook V2 soon? It's not gonna be soon, but it's coming out. But it's not coming soon. It's a big project. Hello, Hama. What is that? Homa Young? Welcome, brother. I appreciate it, man. I hope you're gonna like it. I hope you're gonna make some good money from the free signals. Welcome, buddy. Why is the Nightbot exposing me? What the fuck? Why is the Nightbot? Who coded that? I didn't put that in. The fuck? Your zone is the BPR zone? What is that? What is the BPR zone? A book? 2 sec, guys. I need to charge my phone. I will be away for like one second. 2 sec. Just give me a moment. Hello, Cheesy. Give me 1 second. Oh, 2 sec, guys. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. Oh shit. No. Oh. Just give me a moment. I will grab my food as well. I'm gonna still look at the price, so we're not gonna miss it. Just like. Oh. 2 sec, guys. No. I am back. I am back, guys. Who the fuck is that? I think. 2 sec, guys. Is that playbook V2 free if we have V1 already? It's gonna be, I will say $20,000. Maybe 100,000 actually. Let me think about it. Maybe 100,000. Are you looking to sell? I thought gold is going to be bullish. It is bullish, but I have a strategy on how to pass propfirms top step accounts easy. So this setup is a part of it, even though it looks bad on paper. Normally I would never take this. Normally I would never take this sell, but the way this strategy is approached, you can allow yourself to take it without risk. I know it sounds stupid. If you watch the video, you know. I need to eat something so I can get big. We are still stuck at 96 right now. Go get that chicken. It's in the microwave, so I need to get it in like 1 minute. Oh, it's finished now. Let's go. Just give me 1 moment, guys. 1 moment. Life with pigeons, life with pigeons. What is going on here? I can see gold is waking up now, and I'm sitting with fucking chicken all over the place now. Fuck. I'm not ready. We're trading at 98 now. We're getting close. We're getting close. Just wait for my call. I will tell you when I enter. Remember, it's only for the top step accounts. This is not a trade I will take normally. So if you have a top step, you can take it. If not, you should not take it. Ching wings for gold. It's actually a butter ching. All in. I mean, if you want to, it's up to you, but I will not recommend that on this one. We're trading at 98 right now, actually on the dot, so we're getting very close. Come on, 1991. 0.1 now, come on baby. 0.2, we're getting close. 0.3. It's right below. Fuck, my microphone is fucked. We're trading 5 pips below. 0.4 now, it's right below, guys. Come on, goldie. It is right below. It's a very high risk setup, so only use it if it's top step. And I have to repeat myself because people are not listening. You cannot take this trade if you don't use top step. It's only for top step. If you don't use top step, you do not take this trade. I will never take this trade normally. Like never, never, never. So it's very important you listen. Please follow the instructions. Come on, it's very close. It is very, very close. Holy shit, come on. Wait, did it tap? No, it didn't tap yet. I think it's gonna do a spike very soon, so no, there's no Rowie. Yeehaw! Welcome, Sams. Sams, you're actually number 2 now on the YouTube. You became number 2 now. Let's go, buddy. Why is this a risky trade? I mean, if you look at the 4-hour candle, I think this candle is how much? This 4-hour candle is literally 300 pips, bro. So we are selling against a 300 pip 4-hour candle. I mean, that's pretty stupid. That's why I say only use it on top step. Because on top step, you can only lose $50. So no matter what happened, you lose $50. So this is not a trade you should take outside top step. Why is it particularly top step? Because they have some risk settings and some prices that I made. I made like a guide how to use it, so you pretty much lose nothing and you can only make money with 50% win rate. How to use 300 lots and make sure it goes down. Sounds good. Sounds great. It's very close, guys. Holy. It's almost kissing. It's cheesing us. Holy shit. Holy moly boly. Bro, today 17% is gay. Let me check. Oh, that's true. That is true. MT5 hit it. Yeah, but this is futures, Bihar, and I don't think MT5 has futures. This is futures, my friends. So be careful you don't enter a trade on Forex that doesn't match. Come on, gold. It's right below, man. Holy shit, come on. I literally put the price further down to make sure I didn't miss it. And if I have to be honest, it looked like I missed it. Would you take this trade on live account? No, only top step. But it dodged by like 2 pips. It literally went right below. What the fuck? Look at this. Hello, what is this? It was how many pips is that? It was 2 pips away. It was literally 2 pips away. Holy. It even looked like it tapped on the 4-hour. This is just classic gold behavior. Yeah, GG guys. GG. Because I think next time it tapped, it's gonna go straight through it. I wanted to have the first tap on it, and I didn't quite get it. Oh. Did anyone get filled? Any of you guys who had a sell limit, did you get filled on it? Because it didn't tap on my... It didn't tap the blue line, so I think there's no way you got filled. But I know some people put it 2 pips below to get filled. So if you put it 2 pips below, you actually got filled. Sam's got filled. Oh shit. Oh, this is just fucking classic gold. Literally 2 pips away. I put it 1 pip below and didn't get filled. Yeah, then you was 1 pip away because I was 2 pips away. So that's just beautiful. I will delete the sell limit. If you have a sell limit, I will delete it if I was you. Fuck. Fucking gold, seriously. Your price is different from TradingView. This is futures. This is futures, my friend. It literally went right below. It literally went 5 pips below. 2 pips below. And I can't believe it because I even put the price. I put the price 5 pips below where I normally would enter. 5 pips below, so I actually got filled, and then I still didn't get filled. Like, what the fuck? It's running 40 pips. Let me check. Yeah, it does. Holy fuck. That's just stupid. And it was to the pip as well. So I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight. It's gonna be fun. At least I had my butter chicken I can eat right now. Lol. Butter chicken. Hello from Indonesia. Welcome, brother. Welcome, brother. I'm gonna eat quick, guys. If you have a sell limit and you didn't get filled, delete the sell limit. Delete the sell limit. I'm gonna also post it to you. Delete this element, guys. Areno, what's up, brother? How do you determine the zones, brother? It's from the playbook. And just my strategy overall. So... market going to push up. I don't know what's this gonna do now. I was looking for the sell zone. That was what I was focusing on. I don't want to trade breakout, so I'm not looking for longs. Because I just found you this channel. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you for watching. I was looking for sell or buy. We was looking for sells, but it already went 2 pips below the zone, so I'm deleting the sell limit. CT. I will delete the sell limit if I was you, if you placed one. What is your predict? I mean, I don't really predict. I don't have any bias today. The only thing I had today was the sell zone, which is running 40 pips, but by 2 pips off. I want to hit the floor. I mean, we can hit the dance floor if you want. I don't mind taking a dance, brother. A scammer? Who is a scammer? Walt Johnson. Tell me, brother. Let me hear, brother. Welcome, Biha. Remember, Walt, you can't scam anything if it's free. Something that is free cannot be scammed. So maybe do your research. But I take the compliment, though. I bought and sold. Set a sell top. Nice, bro. I think Walt is new here. I think so too. I mean, I'm 100% sure he's new. Hello, Piha. Thank you for watching, brother. Welcome. Fuck, man, that's sell, man. I wish I got filled on it instead of 2 pips off. It would have been perfect to the pip. 40 pips already. So sad. I mean, I'm still happy to see that against 300 pips. This 4-hour candle is 300 pips, and I still managed to predict the top. I'm still happy about that. That's how I see it. As long as I can see what I was doing actually worked. 2 pips, I can't control 2 pips, so I'm still happy about my approach on it, to be honest. It still gives me confidence for the next day. Hello, Hustle Phil Clips. He's Danish. The Hustle Phil, guys, he's Danish, bro. Why is my gold price different? Because this is futures. This is futures. That's why, my friend. That is why. Fuck. Hustle Phil is a joke. I think he's a scammer, I'm not sure. He had like a pyramid scheme. If I'm not mistaken, I don't know. Oh, it's running how many pips now? 50 pips? No, not 50 yet. Oh, that sell zone was perfect, man. Motherfucker. Sorry my language, but gold is a motherfucker today. I was 2 pips off. Literally 2 pips from the sell limits. And it's running 50 pips now. 60 pips. 0 drawdown. What a joke. What a fucking joke. Zoom out the charts. What do you mean by zoom out? What do you mean by zoom out, brother? Vasi, I think it's just what's it called? It's just when you do some things for so long, what is it called? A habit. It's just a habit that I say it. Joy, I'm none of them. None of those two. I mean, I'm actually glad to see it's not a runner. If it was a runner, I would cry. So what we're gonna do for now, guys, from now is tomorrow, London, you can put a notification on, or you can just subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow in London session, I'm gonna give you a new limit order. So if you want the limit order, you have to watch in London session tomorrow morning. And then once we get close to the limit order, just like today, I'm gonna go live and we're gonna hopefully take it together. Okay, guys? That is gonna be the approach for tomorrow. So London session, I will give you the limit order. Then once we get close to the limit order, we take it. Okay, guys? I hope that sounds like a good idea. If you're up for that, sounds good. If not, it's also fine. You have no choice to join or you get killed. So see you tomorrow in London. Be ready for the limit order. And then, yeah, just see you tomorrow, guys. Love you all. Sad we didn't get filled by 2 pips. It happens. It doesn't look like a runner we missed, so I'm still happy. So see you guys. Miss.